everybody, welcome back.
Hey, my name's Woody.
Welcome back to Who's the Better Chef? And ow! Ow, guys, can anybody help me out? Why do I keep falling? There, that's better. Bud, get out of here. Get out of here, Buzz. Okay, everybody, we have two good hosts. The first is Chef Gonzo. Chef Gonzo. Chef Gonzo. Chef Gonzo. Chef Gonzo. Oh, what is it? Oh, yeah, I'm on the show. Yes, you're on the dang show. Comments out there. So you're on the show. Yes, what do I need to make? You need to make, partner. You need to make raviolis. Oh, ravioli, that would be pizza cake. But wait. You have a contestant. Who is it? It's me, Mingo. I'm gonna kill you. And since I think you're gonna lose, I am actually, oh my god. I am going to take over your money. I'm going to bet all my whole credit card, okay? I have $5,006,089. Oh, so cool, right? I know that's cool. Yeah, if that's cool. Oh, what do you want? I will cook for you. No, I actually won't. I'm spending all my money because I know we'll win. No, you won't. Okay? I'll come back next time. Okay. Let's keep you updated. Okay, and they're going to cook. Hey, back it up. What are you doing back there? No, back. I'm a police officer. Hey? Okay, I see you. I see everything. That's going on. I'm just looking. Wait a minute. What are you doing right now? I'm just looking for the haters. Let me just look for some. Over here. Let me see over here. Oh, found them. Hey guys. Hey, I found the haters.